before we kill this morning workout, it's extremely bright outside. Before we kill this little workout, okay, got to get the blood flowing in the morning. Got to put together this little live stream for the students that we're doing in about 45 minutes. Do this every single week, so got to help them out putting this together. Then we're gonna start crushing. You guys, getting the blood flowing is honestly one of the most important things, as well as getting your mind moving. So that's why I always do a flip or jump into the pool, do something. I love dumping cold water on my head. I wish this was a freezing cold pool. Then do a little bit of work, just super short, like 2 minutes, get your mind going, then work out. Get those bioenergetics, get the blood moving, all that stuff. So let's do it. I don't have a jump rope, so you gotta improvise. It's all good. Woo! Always end it off with a flip.
Damn, my eyes are fucking hands are frozen. So your hands are frozen.
Life hack. Let's go. Always prepare in advance for tomorrow, you guys. Always. These are going straight into the freezer for 3 hours, then into the fridge. That's how you do it. I'll just get us put it down. Alright, Mike. Fix that title up. Alright, you guys, we just demolished that live stream for the students inside of there. Wanted to kind of throw in a little clip of that. I can't show you guys too much, that's exclusive. We're gonna be doing a couple things today. I've got a few ads to run. I have to deal with one disabled ad account. Thank you, Facebook, for the headache. Other than that, I don't think I have too much else to do on the end of Shopify besides editing a few videos, working on a fun new business, and then hopefully heading to the beach. So let's see where this day takes us. Alright, well, it's been a few hours. We got the phones charging because everything's dead. Both the Wi-Fi modules aren't working, but we dealt with the Facebook issue. One of the issues that I found out it was they disabled or tried to disable an entire ad account with multiple stuff for both my personal brand and a lot of e-commerce stores. That was a big, annoying little situation. Again, thank you, Facebook, for that massive headache. But it's because they tried to charge my card that's from the US and I'm out here in Indonesia, blah, blah, blah. Just it doesn't make sense. If they're seeing that you're from the US and then 24 hours later you're in Indonesia, it's like, well, how'd you get there? Airplane, dude. Airplane in the sky, bro. Right, I took off. But anyways, we're gonna go out and do some stuff. We gotta get some food because I have yet to eat today. It's like, phones are in there, it's like 3 or 4 p.m. So this should be interesting. But other than that, we've been doing a lot of stuff. Got a new business legally set up, waiting to hear back from LegalZoom. Other than that, we're just running ads. So finally got this ad account fixed, just launching some campaigns right now, editing some videos, and other than that, we're headed out. guys, this bike squeaks. We gotta take this so nobody steals it. We just spent the last three and a half hours or so working at a resort like 5 minutes down the road towards the beach because the Wi-Fi here is not the greatest, unfortunately. But spent a lot of time editing a few videos, got one uploaded, took 3.5 hours to put it on YouTube. Got a few different Facebook ads launched for a new client. Other than that, we're just gonna be working on a new Shopify store while we're here tonight. Probably just chilling. I don't even know, doing whatever. I gotta set up a new business with LegalZoom. I'm sure that'll be a lot of fun. But I wanna give you guys a quick tip. Let me talk about how to structure your day. You guys have already seen how mine is structured a little bit so far. Here's one thing. We got Ronnie the rooster roosting away, bro. You gotta get out of here. He's waking me up every morning at 4 a.m. I gotta give you guys a quick little tip. Whether you're in school, working, or anything, because I used to be in school. Come on, bro! He's super loud. Anyways, one tip. I used to be in school, and then once I transitioned out of school, I was still doing online school for a while. Then it became just entrepreneurship as a full-time thing. So that transition of like having it as a side hustle, but it was still my main focus, and then turning it into my main thing just time-wise, it's all about priorities. So I used to write down in Minnesota, I had a whiteboard, would write down every single day exactly what I had to do in chronological order. That worked the best for me. Every single day on my phone while I'm traveling, in my notes section, I write down at least 5 to 8 things that I have to do in that order every single day. So kind of flows with what's the most important, starts out first. As for direct time management, at least while I'm here in Bali, we eat out for every single meal because it's cheaper, it's better, and I can eat in a new spot every single meal, and it's amazing. Other than that, definitely go on some adventures. Not every single day. We went to the beach today, had some fun, did a couple of other things. We still got at least 6 hours left in the day, so gonna be a lot of fun. Go up to the pool, hang out with everybody who's here, launch some new ads, maybe film another video or whatnot. We're filming one right here, but yeah, I don't even know what more to say. Day in the life, Bali edition. Let's continue. Oh, and you guys, we've got a little bit of a problem. As you can see right here, you guys notice what these are? Can you see? Oh yeah, Yeezys, but I can't flex because look at how dirty this crap is. These are supposed to be blue, so I gotta clean these off a little bit first. If anyone knows how to clean these, give me some advice. I don't have anything out here, but these things are way too dirty. I don't know, should I send a backflip with some wet Yeezys? Oh no! Woo! That water added like 5 extra pounds. And now my socks are ruined. But it's okay, you guys. We got a whole lot of stuff to do. Just more ads. Let's get it done. Alright, you guys. It's been a few hours. We've just been working on a lot of ads and a new store. Got both the laptops pulled up. But we're grilling up some steak. Julian's on deck with some, what do we got? No chicken there. We got some rice as well. Cooking up at home, not eating out this meal. But tonight's just going to be a lot of work, just like any other night. Got a lot of stuff going on. Facebook is being a pain in the butt again, so thank you very much for that. Yeah, I've learned a few lessons tonight with that. Other than that, you guys, it's been a productive day. Hopefully every single day is for you. I don't really know what else we're going to do. I'm going to show you this food here in a second once we get it prepared. But other than that, you guys, that's a day in the life Bali edition of what it looks like. It's completely pitch black outside, so might go jump in the pool a little bit later like we always do at night. Just chill, vibe. Usually end up going to bed around midnight or 1. Then we wake up at 8, 6, whatever, depends on what we got to do, and get the day started. Alright, you guys, one quick tip I want to give you on how to have a productive day. Make sure, like I said a little bit earlier in the video, at least what I do, I outline what I have to do every single day. For me, it works best in decreasing order of what's important, okay? It's in that chronological order. For me, I make sure that I get like the first 3 things usually done on my list in order. From there, if I feel like I'm in the mood to edit or film, because that changes based on, well, it's a lot of stuff, what you eat, what you're doing, your mood, all that, you know, that changes throughout the day, so I can switch up what I'm doing, but I make sure I get my list done, okay? And the list can be super short. It's never empty. There's always something to do, but just make sure you structure it the right way. Some of you might be working a job, you might be going to school, that's fine. Get things done every single day. I don't think I've ever taken a day off in like the last 3 years. It's always been something, okay? It's something. I don't think about the days. I don't even know what day it is right now, so it's like, You know, you see, for you just got to figure out the structure that works for you. I do stuff every single day. I like to just make progress. If I'm not making progress, I feel like I'm moving slow. That's why if you ever see me driving, you're not going to see me for long. I'm going to blow right by you because otherwise I'm not making progress. So that's a day in the life, Bali edition, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go finish up cooking this food, eat some good food, and then jump in the pool. It's right behind me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys did, I would very much so appreciate it. If you drop a like down below, join the ever-growing family and the gang by hitting that nice looking subscribe button, you guys. We've blown past 61,000 already. On the way to 100K, I appreciate you guys, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.
How did you know? I just went undercover.
Shop fast support.
One, two, three, they gonna run back to me.
Best part of it. Oh, fucking enjoyed that. Yeah. Always want to come, but they never want to leave. Texas.